Welcome to Lincoln Memorial University Libraries. In this video, we'll show you how to manage your library account. To access your library account, go to the library website at library.lmunet.edu. Navigate to the Resources tab, expand it, and select Library Account. Log in using your LMU credentials, but omit the @lmunet.edu from your username. Once signed in, you'll reach the account dashboard. On the dashboard, you can view your current loans, their due dates, and renew them online. You can also see resources you've placed on hold and your search history. On the top right of the dashboard, click the drop-down button labeled My Account to reveal more options. Unique features here include saved searches, saved items, and saved lists. Let's start with saved lists. Click the green Create List button. For this example, I'm working on a group research project for a library and information science course and need to save and share resources with my research group. I've named my list and added a description. I'll set the list to public so I can share it with my group. Now, let's find a resource. I found a journal I want to add from the catalog. Click the star icon with Save in the upper right-hand corner of the resource box to save it to your saved items. On the Saved Items page, select the item by clicking the toggle box on the left-hand side, and then click Move. Navigate back to your saved list to see the journal added to it. Note these features. The Copy Link option creates a shareable access link. If you prefer not to share a live link, use email to send a list to chosen addresses. Cite is useful for creating citations. Finally, before ending your session, ensure your saved items are correctly saved by moving them to a list for future use. We hope you have found this video helpful. If you need any additional information or assistance, do not hesitate to contact us. Happy researching!